Today we're in Puerto Vallarta in the romantic zone. We're staying on Los Muertos Beach, which translates to Beach of the Dead. We got a smoking deal at the Tropicana Hotel, and it's about a foot from the beach. So we'll check out the beach, we'll hang out there and watch the sunset. Then it's off to find something to eat. We're gonna get some tacos at a street taco place, and then we're gonna head over for some margaritas at Margarita Grill and get a Molcajete. Yummy. So come and see why the romantic zone is one of our favorite spots in Puerto Vallarta. Let's go.
He's on that comp that Kim gave me. He said he's making sure you get a good room with a king size bed.
Nice.
Instead of the two
Crappy
doubles or whatever.
All right, so we just checked into the Hotel Tropicana. This is, I think we could have went all-inclusive here. Is that what I gathered from check-in?
No, he was just said our bracelet, it's not an all-inclusive hotel.
Which is good, because that's not what we wanted.
He probably thought we were maybe expecting that, because that's what
okay.
usually we book.
All right, but they do have a restaurant here. We haven't seen it yet. This is our first walk around, so you're going to see it as we're seeing it.
These are wild.
These are kind of cool.
Look at these, Kim.
Is this a bar up here, maybe? See, I just thought you wanted to go to the beach and drink out of your bag. Oh, yeah.
Some of these flowers are just nuts.
A pool up here. This restaurant?
Yeah.
It's like a bar there. It's not open right now. I'm gonna guess you got to get down here pretty early to get a lounger.
Yeah.
If that opens up certain days, let's say Sunday.
Hola, my name is Salvador from Tropicana.
Ah,
I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
Hey,
¿Te pagaron?
Sí, ya pagaron. Ya tienen la nota ya.
Vamos de acá.
there's two up there. You want to grab those? After the last couple days, we could not wait to get here. So we got to the hotel a little bit early and our room wasn't ready, which was totally understandable. So we came down to the beach, had a couple drinks, hung out, and we'll go back and check in at the front desk a little bit later and see if our room's ready. We're definitely back in Puerto Vallarta. We've sat down for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And already had 3 beach vendors come see us. So again, we don't mind that. We know they're just out to make some coin. That's how they make their living. Just be polite to them. Don't be rude.
Not too pushy.
Not pushy really at all, but there's a lot of them walking around, just like when we were down in the hotel zone.
Yeah.
We should have brought our drinks out here.
I'm sure you can access the bag with that paper. Whatever.
I'll just drink a couple from here. I just don't know where you get them. Did he say they had places to drink? Or things you can get drinks here? Did you ask?
I think that.
No, I think
Dude, here.
Oh yeah.
Hola.
Hola.
Hey, senor. Where do you get a drink around here?
The white is coming. Oh, you see the white chair?
Yep. Oh, you got beach
yes,
service.
okay, get
Very
that.
nice.
Yes, okay.
Perfecto. Gracias.
So this place has beach service, so we got a waiter on the beach. We have no idea what the drinks are going to cost here,
Yeah.
but we're going to have a couple. Oh, and here's the bonus. We're staying that close to that thing there. So. That thing is Los Muertos Pier. That's our place right straight ahead. We had a couple drinks down here at the beach, and then we went to go check on our room. It should be ready now. All right, check this place out. We have booked on, well, that's a loud door, booking.com, so we weren't really expecting a whole lot because it was super cheap. But anyway, this is our room. but for booking.com, we've never got this view. Are you kidding me? This is insane for what we paid. What did we pay for 2 nights?
$26 for 2 nights.
For 2 nights.
All in.
Yep. So this vacation's turned around. We could not be happier. Look at that. Like, are you kidding me, man? Malacone's like just a couple steps away.
We were supposed to have street view.
Yeah, we were supposed to have a street view, and we were so nice to the guys when we checked in that and we gave him a tip for handling our bags and watching them, and he said he was going to take care of us, and he did.
Yeah.
Saul, you're the man.
You too, Jorge.
This is nuts.
It was a beautiful day out today, so we just kind of hung out on the beach, took it easy, bought a bunch of stuff from the beach vendors that we probably didn't need. If you want to see more of the beach vendor experience, tune in and watch Karen deal with them in the next video. And the way to not miss that is to ring the bell down below so you'll be notified when we make another video. The Hotel Tropicana is located in a great spot. It's in walking distance to a lot of places to eat, nightlife, street food. You take the boat taxis right there from Los Muertos Pier to a lot of coastal towns. We just love the area. The beach, the Malecón, and some of the restaurants can get very busy, so if you're not into that, maybe consider one of the smaller beach towns nearby. We've got a ton of videos on our channel if you want to check out some of those options. Another great thing about this location is the sunsets right in the water, right in front of you at the hotel. Perfect. Speaking of which, it's the golden hour right now, so let's have a look. This was the first day on this trip that I didn't have to drive, so it was just nice to sit there, have a couple drinks, and soak in the sunset. This is called the golden hour for a reason. Stick around after the sun hits the water. The sky can be amazing, especially if there's a couple clouds laying around. Definitely stick around, check that out. We did, but now it's time to go upstairs, get ready, and we're going to find something to eat. But before we do that, we were trying to catch the fireworks from that pirate ship there in the water. Goes by every night. Just missed it. And if you're wondering how far the airport is, that plane just left. First on the agenda, street food. Other than the fresh mango on the beach, we didn't really eat a lot today, so we thought we'd have some street tacos for some appetizers.
All right, we're eating here on the street. Some street tacos. Place just says taqueria in parentheses. La Orfres. O-face. O-face, I don't know anyway.
The green sauce is hot.
3 tacos for 70 pesos. We got, what do we get?
2 chicken, 1 chorizo.
2 chicken, 1 chorizo. And they got like a whole bunch of fixings over there you can put on there. We got cilantro, a bunch of sauces,
Show them.
pickled onions. I'll show you in a minute when I'm done eating. Anyway, this is the chorizo one. Whew. That's pretty good. It's not like ground chorizo, it's like cut up chorizo. The spice is really nice. That's a good one.
Yeah, farm keepers.
So Karen ordered these. I didn't, but she asked if she wanted some queso in there, but they actually melt it between the 2 layers of tortilla shells. Is that not the best thing you've ever seen? It's good. It's a pollo one. Oh, I like that. It's good. The hot sauce is super hot. For supper, we walked over to the Margarita Grill. It came recommended to us. It was about an 8-minute walk and about 8 blocks. This restaurant's located at the corner of Pino Suarez and Basilio Badillo. It was mostly tourists, I would say. There was a couple locals scattered in there, but I would say mostly tourists. The price was a bit pricey, quite honestly, but the food was really good. They made fresh pico there right in front of you at your table. You gotta love that. The margarita was really tasty, but quite pricey in relation to some other places that we've been to. Keeping in mind that drink prices change over time, here's a look at the drink menu when we were there. We can confirm for you though that the margaritas were on point. That's a mango margarita. Here's a look at the food on the menu. They've got a lot of different options from drinks to apps to mains. We just ate some cheap street tacos on the way here as our app. Plus they gave you nachos and pico at the table, so that filled us up a little bit too. So we were just looking for something to split. We got a mixed molcajete. It's like
beef, chicken, shrimp, chorizo. There's stuffed poblano in there, some pineapple, cactus leaves. But you put it in the tortilla or just eat it plain, doesn't matter. But yeah, there's a lot of food, the two of us. Yeah, I did when it came out. We kind of decimated that a bit, 380 pesos for that.
We split a mango margarita and a mixed molcajete, and that was 520 pesos, about 40 bucks Canadian or 29 bucks US. We stayed there to almost midnight, and then we walked around the town. Felt pretty safe. We didn't feel it was sketched out or anything.
Well, this is just like a little Olas Atlas. Why does that sound familiar to me? Why does Olas Atlas sound familiar to me?
It's actually Olas Altas, and that's the park where the Saturday market is, where we had some great vegan tacos last time we were here. And check that out in this video. This ended up being a great day. The free upgrade at the hotel was awesome. We met some cool people during sunset. Good food all around. It was getting pretty late, so we went back to the room, sat on the balcony, had a couple drinks, and went to bed. That's going to be it for today's video. If you have any questions, you can contact us on our social media. Don't forget to subscribe. Most people that watch our channel actually aren't subscribed. It only takes a second, and it's free, and it really does help us. We hope you enjoyed this little look at Zona Romantica and the Tropicana. There'll be more coming from there. Until the next time, cheers.